All right, guys, I hit that big. All right, guys, I hit that big 10K. Uh, Congratulations to me. Congratulations to yourself. Congratulations to everybody who decided to hit that subscribe button and show me that love. Today, I'll be in the garden trying to harvest some of these purple sweet potatoes that I've had hiding behind some of these dragon fruit plants for about the last year and some months. So the vines are overgrown. My personal belief is that if you want to keep pests out your garden, you got to keep your garden as clean as possible. So right now it's a whole bunch of grass and sweet potato vines growing behind the dragon fruit, and I want to clean that up, see what kind of sweet potatoes I have under there. Well, I know that they're purple sweet potatoes because that's what I planted back there. I could be mistaken, but we'll see. So I'm gonna clean up and harvest those, and I'll show you guys exactly what that harvest looked like. All right, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay. Once again, thank you guys. 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 people decided to tap in, and they want to see more of what we have to bring here on the Juicing with Jay channel. I promise I got a lot of videos coming. It's just a lot of videos in so little time. I still got to go hit the nursery. I still got to unpack this Namu juicer, which I haven't even unpacked yet. So a lot of content coming. Just bear with me. You know, life get to lifing, and we'll you know, we got this. We got this. So anyway, peace and blessings, and I will definitely see you guys on the next video. Let's get these sweet potatoes. That'll be one more thing checked off the list. I'm not planting sweet potatoes again this year, like I was saying in T-Nog's live. I believe it was either Tuesday or Sunday night that, you know, we don't really eat a lot of sweet potatoes as much as I thought that we did. So I don't want those to go to waste. I don't want to grow them and have them go to waste. So this is going to be my last time planting the sweet potatoes. We're still eating off the sweet potatoes that we had harvested the last time we harvested. I don't even remember the last time we harvested, but we're still eating off of those. And I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna try to cure these up, and then maybe that'll take us to the ending of our sweet potato. I did plant regular potatoes. I got the red potatoes and some white potatoes. But other than that, this will be the last run for sweet potatoes, unless if it's a volunteer sweet potato that pop up somewhere. All right, guys, you know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Bless up. Was it worth it? Let's find out.